Maths, let's handle geometric shapes. Before understanding this chapter, you should clear the concept of two things. Which are they? Edges and corners. Other than the basic figures which you learnt in the last lesson, you will be learning here about sphere, cylinder, cone and cuboid. So let's begin. Firstly, meaning of edge. The outside limit, area or surface of an object is called edge. I will repeat again. The outside limit, area or surface of an object is called an edge. Diagram example is given with mentioning edge up on the left hand side. Meaning of corner. Corner is also known as vertex. Point where the edges of a solid figure meet. Meaning of corner, I will repeat again. Point where the edges of a solid figure meet. They are known as corner or vertex. Diagram example is given with mentioning corner on the right hand side. So students, I hope this much is clear to you. Here is the first figure, cuboid, also known as parallel piped. Definition of a cuboid or a parallel piped. Any object shaped like brick or sweet box or mithai box is called a cuboid. So, a cuboid has 12 edges. Cuboid has 8 corners. So, examples are brick, shoebox, books, cartoon box, mattress, cabinet. Students, I hope cuboid or parallel pipe is clear to you. Next, given figure is a cone. So, the definition of a cone is the shape like a clown's cap or fool's cap is called a cone. A cone has one edge and one corner. Examples are funnel, ice cream, Christmas tree. So students, I hope cone is clear to you. Next, given figure is a cylinder. A bottle-like shape which has a circular base is called a cylinder or a circular prism. So, a cylinder has two edges and no corners. Look at the given figure carefully. The base or the bottom and the top surface of a cylinder are alike, flat and circular. This you can see in the above figure. The turning surface between the bottom and the top part is a curved surface. Examples are gas cylinder, water tank, candle, battery. Students, I hope cylinder or circular prism is clear to you. Next, the given figure is a sphere. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. A sphere does not have any edges and corners. Note, no part of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. A sphere has a curved surface. Examples are moon, basketball, earth. So students, I hope this chapter is very well clear to you. Thank you.